Welcome to our channel. Today. We'll guide you through the easy steps to fix Rivermark Community Credit Union login issues, so you can access your account without frustration. If you are having trouble logging into your Rivermark Community Credit Union account, don't worry, you are not alone, and the solution can be simple and quick. The first step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause login issues, so ensure your device is well connected to a stable network. Next, visit the official Rivermark Community Credit Union website or app and verify that you are using the correct login URL or app version, as sometimes outdated versions can cause problems. When you are on the login page, carefully enter your username and password, making sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is off. Passwords are case-sensitive, and even one incorrect letter or number can prevent you from logging in. If you have forgotten your password or think it might be entered incorrectly, use the Forgot Password feature. This will guide you through a secure process to reset your password, either via your registered email or phone number. Another useful tip is clearing your browser cookies and cache if you are using a web browser. Old cache or saved cookies might interfere with the login process. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If you continue to experience difficulties, try accessing your account on a different device or browser. This can help identify if the problem is device-specific. Sometimes browser extensions or security settings might block certain website functions. Also check if you have security software or firewall settings that might be restricting access. At times, scheduled maintenance or unexpected outages on Rivermark's side can cause login problems. Check their official social media pages or customer service notifications for any announcements about downtime. If all else fails, contact Rivermark Community Credit Union's customer support directly. Be prepared to provide any error messages you received and your account details for verification to get personalized assistance. Following these simple step-by-step instructions, you should be able to resolve most Rivermark Community Credit Union login issues quickly and securely, allowing you to manage your account without interruption. Remember, always protect your account information and avoid sharing passwords to keep your banking secure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated on helpful guides like this one.